Hello, my name is Alan Figueroa. I am the head of the CENAME Thermometry Laboratory in Guatemala. I am an electronic engineer from the University of San Carlos de Guatemala, a member of the CENAME Digitization Group. The National Metrology Center, it is the national reference for metrology in Guatemala. The components of the CENAME are the National Metrology Laboratory and the Inspection and Verification Unit in Legal Metrology Material. The center has laboratories for mass, thermometry, volume, dimensional, electricity, time and frequency, pressure, and reference materials. The inspection unit has verifications instrument for gasoline dispenser, water meters, and electrical meters. Presentation is about automation for the capture of data in the calibration process on the mechanical comparators of CENAME. This project was built in Python language on the operating system based in Raspbian using the Raspberry microcontrollers. The automated comparators are follows and the acquisitions of environmental data was also automated. It is worth mentioning that these equipment are from 10 to more than 20 years of use. The experience I had in developing the project are as follows. One of the comparators does not have serial communication ports, so the solution was to take in photos of the data and with OpenCV get the measurements number. Another problem was that a comparator was using an outdated protocol. The solution was to obtain information in bits 0 and 1 and then decode it by grouping it into 7 bits instead of 8. The extension obtained the benefits of avoiding data transcription errors, reduce time in processes, facilitates calculation by entering values directly into an Excel sheet, reduce paper consumption, reduce the work of the technicians. Some ideas for the future are automatically generate certificates after measuring, automate other laboratories with the basis of this project, add robotic arms for mass management, database in the cloud for the laboratory management system. Next, I show a video of the operation of the project. Hello everyone, I am Alan Figueroa, head of the Thermometry Laboratory at CENAME, and today I want to talk to you about my automation project. It is being developed for the mass laboratory where a problem was found, in which care must be taken not to leave remains on the weights and affect the measurements. Within the procedure, you should be putting on and taking off the gloves to manipulate the weight. Write down the values, manipulate the stopwatch and the balance panel. What was intended was to create this program to avoid that the metrologist take off his gloves and focus only on handling the weights. A window comparator circuit was designed with a photoresistance and potentiometer. The combination of these produces a good light sensor, in which we can adjust with the potentiometer the sensitivity of the circuits. This sends a signal to a Raspberry Pi 0 that is connected to the scale Pi cable, but in turn is connected via IP to another Raspberry Pi 0 that is working as a server that provides the environmental conditions. First, the Raspberry of the scale sends a command to the server so that it forwards it to the computer where the program is running. When this command is received, it starts the 30 seconds counter indicated in the procedure. And when it reaches 0, the program sends the command to the server and again forwards it, so that the Raspberry connected to the scale asks for the measurements. The environmental conditions are obtained by clicking the start button, and at the end of each cycle we have a button in each cycle so that they can repeat it again, and a save button so that the data display in the program is entered into a Excel sheet that can be directly the spreadsheet. And I am still working to expand this project so that at the end of the measurements the certificates are automatically generated. This can bring many more benefits than reducing time and errors during the calibrations, since being able to sample the behavior in those 30 seconds of waiting could determine the wears of the scales and prevent inconvenience that harm good measurements. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.